Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this durian testing. Durian, also known as the stinky fruit, is my favorite fruit. Since I lived a year in Bali and lived close to farmers who cultivated these fruits, I absolutely fell in deep love with this fruit and ate it so many days, so many times. Here are some pictures of how it looks like when I got it. When I saw it in an Asian shop, I was filled with joy seeing this here in Europe, and I decided to buy one. And it made me very happy. And now I'm gonna review this durian fruit for you. In Bali it would be around 5 to 6 euros. And here I bought it for 30 euros. So I don't know if I would do it again. Of course, the quality is also not the same as these super nice ripe fruits from the tree. This is a problem in general, that many fruits are being picked way too early, and so all the flavors and nutrients haven't yet developed yet. And the same with durian. It's best if it's already yellow, and you can also smell it. If it smells more sweet, then it is more of the good kind of durian. And when it's more greenish, usually they have been picked earlier, and so it tastes more sour. So the first thing you notice with this fruit is it came frozen, of course, here. And when I let it unfreeze, slowly the whole room you can start smelling it. It's a very strong smell, and the first time I smelled it, it was like, ooh, what is this? But as soon as I tasted it, it's like, right now it's pure heaven to me just to smell it again, because it's, for me, or when you get used to it, or when you allow it to get deeper into the experience, then your taste buds and nose will explode in many new dimensions possible. So commonly it's said to taste like vanilla mixed with garlic. I can say I get what is being meant by that. But before I give my own impression from it, I'm gonna show it to you one last time. Maybe a bit here. That's how it looks like. And that's like one part of the inside. You can already see I've already eaten one. It tasted more than like ice cream, and now I have unfroze the other one to really get the full experience of the texture as well, because that's also very unique of this fruit. So yeah, it's ready to be eaten. Yeah, also the interesting part, it's a bit like meat. Like the texture is a bit like meat and ice cream. So, and it completely melts on your tongue. And then you get a very unique taste experience that is beyond what you could have ever imagined to taste. It's also known traditionally as the king of the fruits. So that's the king, the great king. It's seen more in a masculine way, and being connecting to courage, because this fruit is also being eaten by tigers. So with the claws they try to open the spiky fruit and eat this durian as well. And I do understand, it's from texture a bit like meat, as I said, but also through this connection, just this energetic connection, having these spikes is a very strong fruit energetically as well. And it helps to really also invoke courage and connecting to the solar plexus area, where we store the courage energetically within our body. It's very good. So when you come to buying this fruit for yourself, I would recommend to only do it in the countries where it's growing, like in Asian regions, for example. Because of course buying it here is A, pretty expensive, and B, not that good for the environment. So I don't know if I would do it again, but just for the experience and the joy and the little ceremony that I have of myself today. This is a great way of celebrating life and Mother Nature and just giving thanks to all the senses that we can experience, reality and the planet, and this fruit of Mother Earth is just another dimension of experiencing the goodness of life. Yeah, this piece wasn't that ripe, so I can notice that because the flesh is more hard here. So it should be like very creamy, like ice cream, but when it's hard, it's a sign that hasn't ripened yet fully, and I have a little bit of this, of course, because I've been transporting from a long way. Yeah, it's very, very satisfying, also very sweet, very grounding as well. And that's it, my friends. Don't forget to drink your tea. Cheers.